BodyAccel Niacinamide Whitening Toothpaste Mint. Oral Max claims to whiten your teeth using niacinamide repair enamel with essential minerals and keep your breath minty fresh, all in a gentle formula that's safe for everyday use. Sounds great on paper, right? But let's take a closer look and see if it really holds up. Let's start with the good stuff. First off, a lot of users liked how gentle this toothpaste is. They say if you've got sensitive teeth or gums, this might actually feel more comfortable to use than the usual strong minty stuff. That's definitely a plus for people who brush more than once a day or just want something a little easier on their mouth. Next, users say that it's sleek, compact, and easy to carry, perfect if you're traveling or constantly on the go. They also say they love a product that's easy to toss in your bag without taking up a ton of space. And then there's the whitening angle. The brand uses niacinamide, which is kind of a unique choice. You don't usually see that in toothpaste, and it might catch the eye of anyone looking for something new or more science-forward in their oral care routine. Now, onto the not-so-great parts. One pretty serious concern came up. A user mentioned the toothpaste is dangerous if swallowed, and even said they had to seek medical attention. That's pretty alarming, especially if you have kids at home. You expect toothpaste to be safe, even if someone accidentally swallows a little, so that's definitely something to keep in mind. Another common complaint was about the results. Quite a few people said they didn't notice any difference in the whiteness of their teeth. One user simply said, "Didn't see any difference," and another went so far as to say it just doesn't work. So what's the verdict? While BodyAccel Niacinamide Whitening Toothpaste scores some points for being gentle, convenient, and a little different with its ingredients, the safety concerns and lack of visible results are hard to ignore. It might work for some, but for others, it could end up being a letdown. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews.